So I was walking down on the conference floor over here and I came across this one booth called Cetools, and they have this Chalkline that's very unique. Let's go ahead and see what they have over here. This is Robbie. He's with Cetools and he's going to show us how this works.
We have the only releasable tip chalk line in the world. You put your tip on there, you're on the roof, you're chalking this line, you go back 30, 40, 50 feet, and once you're through chalking the line, release that tip, comes back to you. Eliminates half your steps or eliminates a person from having to hold the other end of the chalk line.
That is perfect. I like it.
If you have a great chalk line, you need great chalks. So we do. We have 4 great chalks here. These are the only chalks made in the United States of America. They're hydrophobic chalks, and you can tell the feature about them is that they are rain repellent. This is floating on top of water here, so you can chalk lines in the rain, or if you chalk lines and it pours down rain overnight, your lines are still there. So it's amazing chalk line and chalks. Also have levels here. The feature on this level here is that it has a red edge bubble. It's not the green on green. You can actually see when you're in line or not. It's got a lot of shock resistance. You're not going to knock this level out of level, and it's an amazing level, and if you could feel it, you could kind of tell how strong this level is and how durable this level is. We have a towel here. You can actually see it right here. It's been holding 100 pounds here since we've been here. 48 hours it's been holding these cinder blocks which weigh 100 pounds. But it can do much more than that. I'm giving this my best tug. 260 pounds before you can tear that towel apart. Yet if you want to clean something small, you can take that edge right there, clean anything small, no fiber, no fabric. It's biodegradable. Use 2 or 3 a day, throw them away. And the last thing that we have here, this wipe is an amazing wipe. There's very few in the world that have scrubbing beads on them. These scrubbing beads will take anything off your hands. The smooth side will remove the residue so your hands feel clean. They have a ton of moisture in each one of these little wipes here, and one wipe will completely clean anything off your hands. Amazing products. We're Cetools, contractor to engineer. Would love for you to try our products out.